In this video, I want to explain the derivatives of trigonometric functions. So let us start. So firstly, really we have two rules. The derivative for sine x equals cosine x, this one. And the second rule, the derivative for cosine x equal negative sine x. Okay, so only two rules, just memorize them really. So the derivative for sine x equal cosine x, and the derivative for cosine x equal negative sine x. So how to find the derivative for tan of x? So you can really memorize it when we derive it now, or you can just do the following. Okay, so tan x equals what, right? So d over dx of sine x over cosine x, right? This is tan x. Now, remember from the previous video when we explained the derivative rule for the quotient? So here we will apply it, right? So that will be equal to, okay, we said the denominator square, okay? And then what we said, denominator, so cosine x times the derivative for the numerator, that will be cosine x minus numerator, which is sine x, times the derivative for the denominator, which is cosine x. The derivative for cosine x is negative sine x, which is equals to cosine x square minus negative sine x square over cosine square x. Let me move this down. So that's equals to cosine square plus sine square over cosine square x, which equals to, as you know from the trigonometric identities, cosine square plus sine square equals to 1. So that will be 1 over cosine square x, which equals to secant square x. So the derivative for tan x is secant square x. Next one, cosecant x. So we know that cosecant equals 1 over sine x. So this is d over dx, 1 over sine x. We'll apply the same rule. That will be equals to sine square x. And then in the top, that will be denominator times the derivative for the numerator. But the derivative for 1 is 0. So that will be 0 minus the derivative for sine x is cosine x. So that's equal to cosine x over sine x square negative. So that's equals to negative cosine x over sine x times 1 over sine x. If you go a little bit down, that's equals to negative cosine over sine, that's cotan, and 1 over sine, that cosecant x. So the derivative for cosecant x is negative cotan x cosecant x. Next, the derivative for secant x is the same really. So that's d over dx of 1 over cosine x, which equals to, as we said before, denominator square, that's cosine x squared. Then this will be denominator times the cosine of the numerator. Numerator here is 1, so that's 0. 0 minus the derivative for cosine is negative sine x. So that equals to sine x over cosine x times 1 over cosine x, which equals to tan x secant x. Okay, and then I will leave the cotan x for you to find. If you like this video, please subscribe with our channel.